Hey, I'm Chibs Okereke. Welcome to the Daily Striver. Today, we're going to talk about the discomfort that comes with growth. High achievers often get stuck in routines and comfort zones, but true breakthroughs happen when we push beyond what feels safe. As Eleanor Roosevelt once said, do one thing every day that scares you. It's easy to avoid the things that make us uncomfortable, but sometimes those are the very things that unlock our potential. Today, I want to help you lean into that discomfort and use it as a tool for personal and professional growth. All right, let's start with a meditation. Finding a comfortable position, and you're welcome to keep your eyes open or closed, whatever feels good. Now, for the next few breaths, let's breathe in for a count of 5 and out for a count of 5. You can follow my count for a few breaths and then do a few at your own pace. So keeping your body relaxed as we breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doing a couple more balanced breaths in your own time, keeping the body relaxed as we do so. And now allowing the breath to return to its natural rhythm. And noticing how the body feels now. Okay, good. And now, from this place of calm, I want you to think about something you've been avoiding lately because it makes you uncomfortable. Maybe it's a conversation, a project, or a decision you need to make. Bring that to the front of your mind and notice how your body reacts. Now, if you notice any discomfort, where in your body do you feel that discomfort? Now, breathe into that space and see if you can accept the discomfort. Now, as you continue to breathe, imagine what stepping into that discomfort might look like. It doesn't need to be big, just a small step. How would it feel to embrace that uneasiness and allow yourself to grow from it? And now ask yourself, what small action could I take today that would move me closer to my goal, even if it's uncomfortable? I once coached a brilliant software developer who was terrified of public speaking. Now, despite how good he was, he avoided any opportunity to present his work. So we started small. He agreed to speak up more in team meetings. That was it. Now, over time, those uncomfortable moments helped him grow. And now he's leading meetings with confidence. It all began by leaning into the discomfort. Now, as you go through your day, I invite you to embrace one uncomfortable situation. It could be speaking up in a meeting, tackling a task you've been putting off, or even reaching out to someone you've been hesitant to connect with. Notice how taking that step helps you grow, even in the smallest way. Remember, discomfort is a sign that you're pushing your boundaries, and that's where growth happens. Each time you lean into it, you're getting one step closer to becoming the person you aspire to be. If you haven't already done so, feel free to crack open the eyes and come back to the room. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chibs Okereke, and I'll see you tomorrow for the Daily Striver.